Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a MistKing system. First, gather all your components like the pump, reservoir, tubing, and nozzles. Next, decide on the best location for your pump and reservoir, ensuring easy access for refills. Finally, plan where each nozzle will go to achieve even mist coverage throughout your enclosure. Now, let's get to the physical setup. Connect the pump to your water reservoir, making sure it's securely placed and won't tip over. Carefully cut your tubing to the appropriate lengths needed to reach each nozzle location. Then, attach one end of the tubing to the pump and begin routing it neatly towards your enclosure, avoiding kinks. With the tubing in place, it's time to install the nozzles. Securely attach each nozzle inside your enclosure, pointing them to achieve the desired misting pattern. Double-check all connections, from the pump to every nozzle, to ensure they are tight and leak-free. Finally, perform a test run to confirm proper misting and even coverage. Once your nozzles are set, it's time to program the timer. Set the misting intervals and durations according to your specific needs, perhaps a few times a day for a minute or two. Remember to regularly check the water level in your reservoir and refill it with distilled water to prevent mineral buildup. For an amazing reading experience, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Consistent maintenance ensures your system runs smoothly for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.